Hi, welcome to Craft Little Things. What a lovely day today. I just wanted to show you, I've just been making a few little cards out of leftovers. Now what I've decided to do with my life is when I make cards for a specific purpose, whether that's for a challenge or for a commission or for somebody I know or whatever, I'm going to leave my leftover pieces on the table, and then every Friday or Saturday, whenever I get the chance, I'm going to make it my business to use all my leftover bits and bobs, all my leftover card and paper from those projects. Anything that's too small, obviously, I put in the recycling, but anything that can be used, I'm going to leave out, and I'm going to make sure I use it, whether that's just to make some little cards or some tags or whatever. So this week, these are the bits and bobs I've had left, and I have done some bits of me making these cards, so I will insert where I can. So the first one, I thought I'd just show you them. The first one is this one, and what I'm also doing is I'm leaving out the stamp sets that I use during the week as well, and then then at the end of the week, when I do my using up my leftovers, I'll use those stamps again, and then that means that those stamps are getting a really good use. It's got all noisy all of a sudden. Yeah, so they're being put to really good use. So this one was the, sorry, I was going to show you and then I forgot, was the Wonderful Moments stamp set, which I've used quite a lot because it was one of the only ones I had out. So I've used this lady stamp, as you can see it's a little bit bigger, and the bag and the balloons and the thanks so much. And I've just used a piece of leftover DSP that was just big enough there. I've used Berry Burst, so I'm going to actually enter this one into a challenge, which was on Stampin' Addicts UK, I spotted, and it was just to use to celebrate the outgoing in colours from Stampin' Up, and one of those is Berry Burst, and so yeah, I thought that would be quite a good one to do. So that's that. I used that again to make another card, and again I used the same set for this. I used a little sort of confetti type stamp just to, and then this one for the bride, this one used it again, but this one was heat embossed, so I used heat embossing, and I used a piece of gold foil that I had left over, but it's very simple. So that's that one. And then I made these little dinky cards, just little thank you notes really, that can go in with gifts or little thanks to customers or whatever. So yeah, a note of thanks, I just used 2 pieces of the DSP there. The note of thanks came from the Thankful Thoughts stamp set, and again I've stuck with the Berry Burst theme. And I've gone back to gold. This is from Thankful Thoughts. I've heat embossed that, and I've used a little bit of leftover foil, and I've made a little 3x3 thank you card. Thought it was quite cute, that. I just fussy cut around the sentiment. And then for this one, this was a die that I got. I think Anne sent me this die as a gift, and so I just had this lying around. I was trying out my new snap machine. So that's out of gold foil, and I just thought, how simple can you get for a card? But again, just a nice little thing to pop in with a gift for somebody. So yeah, so they're my little cards that I've made, simple cards made from leftovers. While I'm at it, I'm going to show you a couple of the cards I've received this week. Because adulting is hard, definitely. Look how cute that is. That's using lovely retired Stampin' Up. Is it Up in the Air paper? That one looks familiar as well. I love the use of colours on this. I'd never think to put those colours together, but it looks great. And then the little glimmer paper backing. I think that's... I've got this beautiful card from Margaret Reuter. These are both ladies from the Joy Sets rack group. And you know, I love these faceted gems, and I think they're still even going to be current. I don't even know if they've retired in the new catalogue. Lovely glimmer paper, gorgeous foiled speciality paper there. It's absolutely beautiful. I love this. This is probably from a Memories and More stack. My others are all upstairs on the in the upstairs lounge on the mantelpiece. These two are going to be joining them today, so I just thought I'd show you them because I like to share cards. They're absolutely beautiful. And that's it from me just for now, because I just wanted to pop and show you a couple of little bits and bobs. Sometimes I just like to catch up with what's going on and little things that are happening. I'm waiting for a Stampin' Up delivery, so as soon as that comes, I'll be unboxing that, so that'll be coming next. So thanks for joining me. Have a great weekend, and I hope to be seeing you over it, because I'm not working again now until next week, so I'm going to have some crafting time. Thanks for joining me. Bye bye.